Got him. Smoke, dude. Let's fucking go. All right, guys. Check it out. All right. So here we are. Opening morning. Kentucky turkey season. We've got our decoys out. Me and Gavin. Gavin's out here calling for me. He's going to be filming for me as well. We got the decoys out in the field here. Got a Jake and 2 hens. So we've heard a couple gobbling off the roost. We're going to see if we can make something happen this morning. So we're out here right now. Turkey hunting's got a gobbler on the roost right now. The thing is I don't have a lot of cover over here, so I'm not sure exactly where I'm gonna set up, but we're gonna try to figure something out. So stay tuned and hopefully we can get one on the ground. All right, guys, so I'm out here. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get it on camera, but I got my first bird down in Kentucky. Yeah. Oh, I know. Yeah, he was gobbling all the way over here and came through here and we shot him right there in that field. But I mean, he's not a monster by no means, but he's got some decent spurs on him. He's got a decent little beard on him, and his tail fan is all jacked up. And what happened was it happened so fast. We literally just sat down when my buddy Zach got here and he's calling for me and he tells me there's a bird coming. We heard him gobbling like crazy. And he just came in so fast, everything happened so fast. Weren't able to get any of it on film, but he came in and I shot him probably 3 times because, I mean, that first shot was right on the money and I hit him in the head, but he just, he's a tough bird. We had to end up running after him and grabbing him. So I'm super thankful. My very first turkey ever. What a day. All right, guys, so it's another day. We are back out again trying to get a turkey. We've only got about a week left in the season. We're gonna go out this evening and try to find him. I got my boy Rooster back here. Rooster, say hi, buddy. Rooster's our new dog. We just adopted him from ARF, and the name is fitting because he is gonna help me roost. But anyway, me and Rooster are gonna go and we're gonna try to find some turkeys. We didn't hear any, Rooster. No birds today. You think? Oh well, they'll be here in the morning, I'm sure. Oh, good boy. What's up, guys? I got Zach here with me today. Setting up decoys right now. We've got a bird gobbling straight ahead of us, about 60 yards. It's almost sunrise, so we're gonna get this bird. Stay tuned.
strutting. Look at him strutting. What? Yeah, he's got big. Dude, he's so pretty. He's looking out at us. Dude, he's a slunger. Oh my God. Big bird. He's a big bird. Big bird. Oh my God. He's coming, he's coming. Dude, he's a giant. He's coming. He's a giant. Here he goes. I'm gonna get him flying down. There he goes. I hear him spit. There's another one. Yeah. I told you there was a Jake.
Well, guys, I blew my chance with that bird. Maybe. He's still gobbling over there. Over here in this field. So I'm going to try to slip down to this field and see if I can get eyes on him. See if we can kill him. He came in at 30 yards. But he was in front of so much brush, I wasn't comfortable with the shot. And he ended up seeing me. And you guys can hear in the video, he's gobbling, spitting and drumming. It was the craziest thing I've ever seen. But we're going to try to slip back down in this field here and see if we can get him again. So stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. I know you can't see me very well, but it is the last day of spring turkey season here in Kentucky. Right now I'm here back out in the woods. I've let it rest for quite a while, you know, after these birds have been pressured pretty good in this area. So trying to make sure that I have the best opportunity to be able to shoot one today on the last day. So we're going to try and go out and see if we can make something happen on the last day of turkey season. We've got one gobbling right up there, about 60, 70 yards. Oh, there's a possum. There's a possum. Look at this dude. Look at this dude checking out. Freaking possum. So this bird is hung up. He had a hen with him and he flew down with her and they went the opposite direction. I'm gonna try my best to sneak up on this bird. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film it. Wish me luck. they saw me. Just stalking them all morning. There's nothing I could have done there. As soon as I popped up over this hill, they were right on top of me. There's nothing I could have done. I'm gonna try to go locate another bird, and if we can't find one, we'll pack it up for the year. Well, guys, unfortunately, that's the end to the 2022 turkey hunting season for me in Kentucky. Shot one bird. It was a pretty decent bird for my first bird ever killed. Saw a lot of birds, had a lot of really awesome encounters in the woods, learned a lot, learned how to use a mouth call for the first time. Absolutely had a blast. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to tag out, but that's fine because I was able to shoot one this year, and that's good enough for me. Now, as the season approaches, we're going to start fishing more, which I know is what the majority of you guys really want to see. Do a lot of pay lake fishing, a lot of fishing at the dam, a lot of fishing at Greenbow. And also, we're going to be prepping for 2022 fall deer hunting season. And as you can see here, this is my mount from this year's kill. You know, my very first turkey killed. Wasn't a bad turkey at all. And don't mind Rooster down there eating his breakfast. Anyway, guys, with that being said, we will see you all on the next episode of Angling Ace.